Yo, what's good, GadInsider fam? Tekken 8 was a massive hit, but Season 2? Oh, it's been a wild ride, and not the good kind. Today we're diving into the drama, a balanced team shakeup, emergency patches, and what's next for this blockbuster fighter. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Season 2 of Tekken 8 turned the game upside down. Overpowered moves, broken throws, and a community in uproar. But here's the kicker. The balanced team got a complete overhaul. Is this the fix we've been waiting for? Let's break it down. First off, let's give props where it's due. Tekken 8 was a knockout for Bandai Namco, selling over 2 million copies in just 3 weeks after launch. That's huge. Fans loved the slick visuals, tight gameplay, and that classic Tekken vibe. But then Season 2 dropped and things went way off the rails. In early April, the Season 2 update hit and woo, it was a mess. New moves, buffs, and a revamped throw system threw the roster's balance into chaos. Some characters became untouchable while others got left in the dust. Overpowered combos were dishing out insane damage, and the community, they weren't having it. Fans flooded X with complaints, and the backlash was real. Enter Tekken. Director Katsuhiro Harada, who dropped a bombshell on X. The new balance team behind Season 2, they're out. The original team from Tekken 8's launch is back in charge, and Kohei Ikeda's Sakata Nakatsu is taking the wheel with full control over future balance changes. Harada's confident this crew can steer the game back to greatness, but can they deliver? To stop the bleeding, Bandai Namco rolled out the first of 3 emergency updates in mid-April. These patches extended fighters' health bars, toned down those crazy damage boosts, and started fixing overpowered combos and throws. More updates are coming, and with Nakatsu leading the charge, Harada's betting on a comeback. The question is, will these changes restore Tekken 8's glory, or is the damage already done? That's the latest on Tekken 8's wild Season 2 saga. GadInsider crew, what do you think? Can the original balance team save the day, or is Tekken 8 in for more trouble? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider for all the latest gaming news, updates, and hot takes.